One of the things we're really proud of here at builtwithfoam.com are the undermount sink modules. Here's one that's finished with Decton Opera. It's a 4mm product, and what we've done is simply cut it to fit, kept our graining nice and clean, and you can see we've used our same linear drain here. The cool part about this is I've made this entire sink, took me about an hour using these tools and a right angle grinder. No big gantry saw needed, no expensive water jet. This is something you can do in the field with ordinary hand tools. So this is how it would arrive to you, ready for the linear drain to be dropped in. Of course, we have the same shims available if you want to use the thinner material such as the laminam or the neolith. Or you don't need these if you're going to use the thicker material such as a Decton. We're all familiar with handling these commonly available 2-inch foam boards to make your countertop out of. This allows you to, in the field, cut the perimeter to size to fit the shape of the room, cut a rectangle that our sink module fits in exactly. Since all our sinks are exactly the same size, all you have to do is cut a rectangle. Waterproof it, and then you're ready for tile. Our preference is for Ardex 8+9, but you can use any commonly available waterproofing on the market. These sink modules mean that you can locate this anywhere in this vanity you want, or you can have multiple basins. Right now, as you've seen in these demonstrations, we work very well with the Compotite drain, which is commonly available. The same sink base also fits Laticrete's linear drain with the flange, really nice. You can also handle Schluter's linear drains. They make currently the smallest one at 19.2 inches. But one of the things we're really excited about is we're having new 16-inch drains made, which are much thinner than these drains. So that'll get you a much sleeker, cleaner look with our sink modules. At builtwithfoam.com, we're not only proud of our foam shower bases and foam products, we're also proud of our cardboard boxes. Each product we ship comes in a custom, form-fitting, nice, real pretty cardboard box that we make here just for your order. For more information, you can visit us at our website, builtwithfoam.com. You can also catch us on Facebook, Instagram, and our YouTube channel, all under Built With Foam. Or you can give us a call, 713-469-2554. That's 713-469-2554. We look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.